I'm Becky. I'm a Senior Mental Health Practitioner with a psychological therapy service, and with my role within the team I work with clients who can get quite emotionally dysregulated, so having the EFT is having another resource and tool to be able to support them in regulating their emotions, in allowing them to tolerate distress and being able to just support them in their journey. So really motivated to do the EFT training, to find being really curious and exploring ways to support clients through their journeys in recovery. And also for myself as well, just exploring that and being able to find different techniques and tools to use alongside my role. And so what surprised me most about the training was how quickly the intensity of those emotions can reduce in a very short space of time. It's not always, but a lot of the techniques can be really, really effective very, very quickly. So that was quite eye-opening. What I really loved about the EFT training is that it's very gentle, and also it allows the client to feel really in control. And I think that goes a long way, and putting it back on them, and they're the ones leading that. And yeah, just the gentleness, and also, the facilitators, Tamara and Peter, real fantastic. Just really advocate for you, and just, it's a real natural flow. They make you feel really comfortable and guide you in the right direction. So my recommendations or advice to anyone wanting to go on the EFT training is to fully embrace it. I think go in, explore, be really curious. There might be some reservations about what it is, but ask questions. Tamara and Peter are really, really open, and just really embrace the opportunity. And I think if you're willing to do that, then you're going to get the best results for yourself and also for your clients.